Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down who you want in your server and why. Be specific about interests and time zones. Once done, choose one platform to avoid spreading effort thin and set a modest budget or free strategy. Design a single hero image and a single call to action so users immediately know what to do. Make sure the tagline is simple and benefit-driven. This first ad is an experiment. Treat it like a test that tells you what to scale or change next. You now refine what works by running side-by-side variants and measuring real user response. Test headlines against images for 48 to 72 hours. Once you have data, pivot targeting toward subcommunities or hashtags that brought actual joins. Make sure to measure not just clicks, but joins and retention at 24 and 72 hours. That reveals quality. Keep a simple sheet of results so you can see trends. Then reallocate budget or repost to the top-performing placements and repeat the cycle. You scale by doubling effort only on the placements and creatives that proved effective. Grow gradually to maintain ROI. Make sure the server onboarding converts. Use a concise welcome, clear rules, role selection flow, and immediate engagement to turn visitors into active members. If performance drops, troubleshoot. Confirm the CTA is explicit, evaluate image contrast and readability, and reassess targeting, often mismatched audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.